Das hat halt dann nicht
No. Good morning, guys. So today's vlog, I'm going to meet Marie. Marie is from Berlin and I met her in the hostel in Amsterdam. Today she's gonna show me her place so that I will have an idea of how to live in Germany. She's very nice, she's very kind. So this is the way to go to Marie's place. She sent me a location. It's called Albestrabe. Let's see if I find it on time because we're gonna meet around 3 o'clock in her place. She said she's gonna buy some vegan donuts and oh my god, that house is beautiful. We're gonna sit and talk in her garden and feel the German, way of living for a few hours. I'm walking fast because I have to be on time. Okay, so we're almost there. It said how many minutes? It said from the station, from the S-Bahn, it was 13 minutes. But I think it's halfway there. Yay! And then ang ganda-ganda dito, oh. I think today the weather is from 24 to 26 degrees. Malamig yung hangin. Masarap yung hangin. Malamig-lamig, maaraw. A bit cloudy. Alright. So itong place niya is residential area. Oh, there's a cool church over there. Nakikita nyo yung tower na yun? Can be a church or a town hall. Yan. And then from here, one more. Then we're gonna go to the right, like look to the left, look to the right. Kasi dito guys, they don't have a stoplight. So you just kind of look left and right. There's a car. Yan, we're almost there. Halfway. Halfway there. So it's kind of peaceful here. Not noisy. Because it's a pure residential area. I mean, they have some shops. Ayan. But not like in the city center, which is always busy. Even the surroundings of my hostel, so quiet. Ayan. Alright, so from here we're gonna cross the road. Tapos pasok tayo sa isang eskinita na naman 2 blocks away, and then to the left doon na ang bahay niya. I think malapit na tayo. Saan ang crossing? Okay. Kasi dito, pag main street, if there's a main street, there's always a stoplight, of course. So you have to follow that. Or else, you're gonna risk your safety because they drive so fast. And if it's their right to pass, you don't have, wala kang choice. Kagaya nito, it's green light, you can go, and they really stop. Okay. Yan. Oh, that's a nice one. Okay. I'm gonna tell Marie mamaya if that's a church or something. Madadaanan ko din yan mamaya pagbalik sa aking hostel. So probably I can take a picture. But right now I'm using my cameras for location. Wait. Mali. For location, saan ako papasok? Wait lang ha. Meron dapat pasukan dito eh. Saan ba to? Meron dapat pasukan dito. Where is it? Wait. This is not the right one. So two blocks and right. 2 blocks and right. Okay. Ganda ng architecture nila guys. That building is awesome. Lalo na yung mga corner buildings. Maganda. Market Bistro. And ice cream. They have ice cream. Yan, mga shops. Oh. Look at that tower. Ganda oh. Wow, amazing. Amazing. May kuhanan ko yan ng picture pag pauwi na. So ito ganda oh. Ayan. Dito maraming bilihan ng pagkain. You can't go hungry. Ayan, may gelato. may restaurant for lunch. And to the left. Ayan. Ito na ba yan? Or, no. Isa pa. Bilis ko kasi maglakad. Isa pa. Look to the left and look to the right. Ayan. Isa pang street. And to the left. Yun na yung bahay niya. Yay! Ayan. So now it's 2:55. So may 5 minutes ako. Gusto ko maging on time. Ayan. Dito ang gagaan. Dami nilang mga puno dito. Yun ang gusto ko dito. Nakaka-fresh air yung mga puno. Okay. And then and sabi niya meron daw siyang little nice garden where we can spend some time. Ayan. Dito na yung street niya. Tahimik guys. I like it. Pero syempre, depende yun sa distance ng work mo. Kung saan ang work mo. Diba? It's the work. Pero kung gusto mo ng katahimikan, syempre, dito yun. Maganda yun dito. Oh yeah. Ayan. Ang mga tao dito, they love having pets. Ayan. So I think we're almost there. Ano number ng bahay niya? Sabi niya may garden daw siya. So most likely it's around here yung niya, bahay niya. Birds somewhere here. Yeah, I love the houses. Okay. Yeah, she said it's house number 5. Could be that house. Or could be the backside. Ganda dito guys. This is residential area in Berlin. Somewhere in Berlin. So this is where she lives. This is the backside of the house. Yeah. I did not take a video inside of the house. Come on, go to there. And here we are having lunch together. So this is a church near her house. I took the video when I left. And I couldn't take a video or a picture of the other building that I saw with
a huge tower, because she showed me another way to go to the S-Bahn.
Yes, it was only built in the style of the Middle Age. It is not properly from the Middle Ages. Yeah, interesting. I kind of had this feeling, but I was not sure. And now I would
Thank
like
you
to
guys
know
again
why.
for
I had
watching this
feeling that this
video,
was not really from
and
the Middle
watch
Ages.
out for
Because it is not
the
worn
next
out enough.
episode of
The
Berlin.
stones look too
Ayan.
new.
Yeah.
See you guys next time. Bye!